Longevity and influence. The Rolling Stones, formed in 1962, are one of the longest-running and most influential rock bands in history. Their enduring popularity has seen them thrive for over 6 decades, making them one of the few bands that have consistently remained relevant across generations. Their impact on the music industry and pop culture is immeasurable, with iconic hits like Paint It Black, Start Me Up, and I Can't Get No Satisfaction continuing to resonate with audiences worldwide. Mick Jagger's energetic performances. Frontman Mick Jagger is renowned for his incredible energy and dynamic stage presence. Despite his advancing age, he has maintained an unmatched level of stamina throughout his career, often performing high-energy shows that last for hours. Jagger's electrifying dance moves, distinctive voice, and magnetic charisma have solidified his status as one of the greatest rock performers of all time. The infamous tongue and lips logo. The Rolling Stones logo, featuring a stylized tongue and lips, is one of the most recognizable and iconic symbols in music history. Created by British artist John Pash in 1970, the logo was inspired by Mick Jagger's prominent lips and rebellious image. It has since become synonymous with the band's brand and can be found on various merchandise, album covers, and promotional materials. The logo's enduring appeal is a testament to the band's lasting cultural impact. Kindly subscribe for more interesting facts.